Can we provide RAMS? Do we have any accreditations? And are we safe contractor approved? We at RedClean have been in the cleaning industry since early 2006. We're approaching 2 decades within this industry. Stephen Bird, one of our directors, was introduced to the business by a friend. He'd tried his hands at a few companies in his early 20s, but none that never properly took off. He needed to find an industry that was going somewhere. He started window cleaning domestic properties, more specifically, domestic water-fed pole window cleaning. In the early days, you never really had the level of suppliers that you do now for equipment. Ionic was always the company to aim towards being able to afford, but the systems were a lot of money then. As a new starter, a cheaper option would be more beneficial. Stephen bought a lot of second-hand equipment from a company called Brodex. It was all the components needed to make pure water. He screwed all parts to the inside of the van on the wooden panelling, and to save more money he bought a 1,000 litre IBC tank and ratchet and strapped it into the back of the van. Very stupid and very dangerous. He started the business naive and needed to understand safety and even payloads. Roll on to 2023 and the business now has 14 exterior cleaners, admin staff, operations manager, a business development manager, a marketing director, a social media and web manager, a videographer, door-to-door canvassers and a managing director. Our services now include window cleaning, roof cleaning, render cleaning, gutter cleaning, cladder cleaning, pressure washing, soft washing, solar panel cleaning, steam cleaning and more. We are the complete exterior cleaners. We clean external domestic properties around 40 miles from our Bletchley, Milton Keynes base, and we clean commercial properties and residential roofs up to around 80 miles from our office address. We clean everything from Mrs. Jones' windows on her house to massive commercial tower blocks requiring abseilers. We have the knowledge and the capacity to clean it all. In terms of our health and safety, we have it covered. At basic level, we can supply risk assessments, method statements, Health and Safety at Work Act and public liability insurance. Upon request, we can provide site-specific risk assessments, a dynamic risk assessment and other relevant documentation that you may need. Our public liability insurance covers us up to £10 million. We have employees' liability and our insurance covers us for the building that we're working on for accidental damage. We train our roof and soft wash cleaners to use chemicals at city and guilds level. We're also safe contractor approved and our staff carry IPAF licences. They are also trained under PASMA to use and erect mobile scaffolding towers safely. We also train our staff to use ladders safely. Our staff are trained in window cleaning at city and guilds level. We also retain a consultant within the business who is NEBOSH qualified and can assist us in any safety capacity if needed. Gone are the very early days of the business where health and safety were non-existent. We do everything we can to ensure that our staff are trained and know what they are doing. We can also meet any safety criteria that is necessary for the clients. We are always future planning and seeing how we can do things better within our company. Staff training is a vital part of the process as we need to know that the guys we're sending out have the experience and are qualified and know what they're doing. If you'd like to talk to us further, please use the contact form below because we are more than happy to help you.